Hey guys, this is Dave Barrett here, and today I'm going to show you another Angular project called Scribble-Frames. Okay, so first off, I need to say I completed this project while attending a 12-week immersive web development program at Dev Mountain. If you have any interest in what they do, what the curriculum I had to go through was, visit their website at devmountain.com. So with that out of the way, let's get into this project. This is ScribbleFrames. And what ScribbleFrames is a wireframe tool for designers and developers to use when they're planning their applications, the design of their websites, that type of thing. This was a group project that I completed at Dev Mountain. So it was me and a team of 3 other people. It was fun to experience all of what Git and GitHub had to offer for teams and be able to experience merge conflicts and all of the fun, exciting frustrations that you get to have while working in teams. But it's also actually really cool to see how quickly you can build applications when you're working with other people. So I was mainly in charge of the design and the layout and everything of this, but I also helped with some of the functionality as far as the wireframing. We really just kind of helped each other. We didn't have, designated roles specifically. We kind of had one thing that we focused on, but then we kind of helped each other with everything. So looking at this application, you'll see some animations. I was in charge of that. I did a lot of the button animations, the font choices, of course. This application used technology such as Angular, NodeJS, Express, Elephant SQL, some minor libraries, but really we didn't use too many libraries. We mostly used JavaScript and focused on that as our core thing. So let's log in here. I'm going to log in. It's going to pull up my account, and it's going to pull up actually all of my projects that I've already made in this application. So it says, "Welcome David" at the top. It's got my profile picture. I can search through these projects. I can say home. It'll filter through these. So I helped with the filtering functionality. And then we can also filter by, recent projects. These are actually all pretty recent. So it'll pull up the most recent projects that you've had, and it's kind of got a limit there. And if I start a project, which, maybe I'm working on this page specifically, I can just look at my starred projects. Okay, and there's slight animations on everything here. So each of these cards, when I hover over, the gradient will change as well. And each of these represents a project. I can create a new project or just look at an old one. This is an old one here. And we can see the wireframe here. These thumbnails were generated using by saving the SVG code for each of these. And basically we saved the entire canvas. And because it was SVG, we're able to shrink it down into a good looking thumbnail for each of these projects. That was kind of a challenge, but it was also really fun. So when I go into a project, let's just create a new project. Let's call this my new site. Enter. Okay. And I want to draw something. I can just drag. I can drag either way. This drawing function wasn't created with any libraries. We didn't use D3. We didn't use anything out there that already exists. We decided that what we wanted to do was extend our JavaScript knowledge, and we just used vanilla JavaScript to learn how to draw these different shapes. So basically we draw here, boom, and then a little menu pops up at the top. We can decide what we want to be placed there. I'm going to start with a box, and it inserts a square for me. This is all using SVG and vanilla JavaScript. And then I can choose a different color. Scroll down, see what other colors we have. That's kind of ugly. Let's just we'll do a pink website. How about that? And let's draw another shape. We could do a rounded corners. We could do, oh man, I really like pink, don't I? We could do a circle. Pink and purple. We can do an image, right? So we can even place images on here. Actually, I'm going to delete these ones. I don't really want those. And We can also do a video. So there's all sorts of placeholders that we decided to put in here. We can also do some fancy scribble action, just in case you want to make it look like you sketched this out by hand. You can even do circles. Isn't that wonderful? So this was really fun to make, fun to explore different things JavaScript can do. Let's just save our project here of this animation. This is a set timeout just to show you a cool animation because it actually doesn't take that long. And it says my save was successful. I can go back, and here's my new project. I can star it, I can look at it. There's the thumbnail right there. And if I don't want this, well, I can go in and edit it again. But if I don't want this, I can flip it around. We decided to make use of the back of the cards for different information. So it's going to have the project title. We can put other information here as well. And then you can delete the project. And it's deleted forever. Okay, so this was ScribbleFrames. Really fun project. I can't wait to show you what I do next. If you have questions on this project, feel free to contact me. DaveBarrett.com is my portfolio page. My information's there. And I can't wait to show you my next one.